Well, it's certainly orphan season and not just for flying foxes. And oh dear, Rachel just put this little tiny microbat pup in. Hello. Yes, so there we go. That's pretty tiny, that little one. No hair. It's got a little. Its tummy's not completely empty, but she won't be staying here. We'll send this little one off to the microbat coordinator. I think we're sort of full up with flying fox orphans, but look at you! My goodness, we better get you warmed up, I think. Let's send you someone who's got the time and the patience to look after you and feed you every 4 hours. Alright, back to bed for you, madam.